In that blue and white number 6 is Cody Manita.
We've got trouble in front of the leader.
Green is out. We're back on our way.
Alright, we're here at Brewerton Speedway tonight. Last week, Cody finished Cody finished 5th, I finished 15th. We're about to go out for hot laps. We'll talk to you when we get back.
Let's go! Cody and Sammy. We just got done with our hot laps at Brewerton Speedway. I ran 6th quick. What did you run?
16th.
So not bad. We're still the same as we were last week. We got to gain that a little bit more speed, but I'm not upset with where I timed that much. It doesn't really affect us in our D-race, so it doesn't matter. But good quality time on the track. Hopefully we can do something in this heat race.
This is our new segment called Interviews with Sammy. Let's go. It's called Interviews with Sammy.
Interviews with Sammy?
What's your name?
LJ, Jason Parkins Jr.
How'd you do in hot laps?
Sucked. Got held right up.
What position?
Oh, I don't know that.
Oh, Deanna took a 38.
Yeah, I'm gonna wreck this dude.
Anyways, how'd you do last week?
Got DQ'd in the heat race because the rev box got turned up 100 RPM. So I had to drive from last to 6th. Then we're illegal. But, you know, my rev box was at 6,000. I would have smoked that 6th car. That guy's slow.
That 6th car dude?
Yeah. Yeah, he's a weapon.
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, good luck tonight.
Thanks, you too.
We started a new segment on the YouTube channel called Interviews with Sammy. Good luck.
It's
Who
not
are we here with tonight?
Kira. Hey, Ben. Especially married.
That's about it. Is it true that you only marry Jake Davis for a race car? You heard it here first. Alright, we're here with Nicholas Ventura, last week's feature winner. We know that obviously last year you had a trouble, like taking off Brett Sears on the restart and a whole lot of drama revolving around you, but you seem to have figured it out this year, huh?
Yeah, I think we got a good enough car that I don't need to drive over my head anymore, so that's nice.
Yeah, I haven't noticed you wrecking anybody on restarts, so that's great.
20 minutes later.
No.
Yeah.
Supposedly, they told me I ran into you, but we don't think we ran into each other last night.
No, we didn't hit each other.
The announcer was trying to get me in trouble, I guess.
Yeah, he was trying to get beat up, I guess. I don't
I
know.
don't know.
Something like that. But anyways, good luck tonight.
Good luck.
back from our heat race. I was able to finish third.
Finish second.
Second and third. Same heat race we were able to be in, so that made it a lot easier to watch, at least for the fans and everyone else that's on the cameras.
You to go from last year?
I had to come from last. So I got underneath someone, and then we came into turn one, and things happened. It's racing, I guess. We got put to the back, so that's where we started. We started dead last almost. One car was behind us, but we were able to rip the top. Top was actually able to work it in my favor. You were mostly around the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom.
Talk about that a little bit.
Oh,
Talk about how you got. He was in the lead. Just saying.
yeah.
Talk about how you lost that lead. So we just got back from Brewerton. It's a couple days now. We're back at Chandler Automotive, but we just got done at Brewerton Speedway for their points night there. We didn't do bad. We were able to finish 5th, which puts us up to 2nd in points. We're hopefully going to be able to get the track championship this year. That's what we're shooting for. Car's really good at Brewerton, just not as good at Fulton for some reason, so we got to get some more forward drive. Forward drive, I feel like I'm lacking a little bit, and a little bit of side bite as well, so hopefully we can figure that out. But we've had a good mid-season, so hopefully this last little bit where all the money shows are, we can gain some more speed and be up front more. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Let's go. Better hit the gas for a minute, no cap, no limit. I attack till I finish that track, then I get it, got my cash all liquid, never pass my limit too fast.